Welcome to the FX Options Weekly Outlook, a weekly podcast series hosted by Jason Ayres, a top instructor, trader, and founder of OptionSource.net. Join Jason as he discusses the latest trends in the Forex market with a look ahead on the US dollar versus the major currencies using the most commonly used technical indicators.
Well, hi there and welcome to the ISE FX Options Weekly Outlook for May 28th, 2012. As always, this is Jason Ayres of OptionSource.net. Let's start off with a look at the weekly chart of the US dollar index. This is a great way to gain perspective as to how the US dollar has been trading against a basket of currencies. Well, as you can see here, the US dollar index continues to push higher, trading into the 82-83 resistance level. Now, any pullback is likely to look for support down at 81. However, the trend remains strong to the upside. Quick look at our daily chart reflects on the shorter time frame that the 82 level is a near-term support with an upside target of 83.84. Next up, the CDD, the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar. The CDD hit 103 as a resistance level, and we are open to a retracement to lower this week. However, as long as the 102 level holds as support, we are targeting the 104-105 focal zone to the upside. Let's take a look at the YUK, the US dollar versus the Japanese yen. Well, the YUK continues to consolidate within the 79.80 zone. And a break below 79 opens the window for a drop lower. However, a break above 80 lends credibility to a move towards this 81-82 focal zone. Next up, let's take a look at the EUI, the US dollar versus the euro. Well, the EUI continues to trend higher, and 78.79 has now become a new support. A break below 78 opens the window for a deeper retracement. However, provided that 78 holds, we are targeting the 81.82 level to the upside. Let's take a look at the BPX, the US dollar versus the British pound. The BPX hit 64 last week, and we are open to a pullback to test support within the 63.5 zone. A break above the 64 resistance level opens the window for a push towards 65. Let's take a look at the AUX, the US dollar versus the Australian dollar. The AUX has been trending strongly to the upside, but has formed a small support down at the 101-102 focal zone. A break below 101 suggests a deeper pullback. However, should this level hold, we are looking at 104-105 as the next logical target to the upside. Let's take a look at a few of our key points. First of all, the US dollar index found support at 81 and bounced last week. The trend remains strong to the upside. 83.84 is the next target zone. The CDD finished the week with a test of 103. 102-103 is an important resistance level. We may see a pullback this week. However, the trend is up with 104-105 as the next target. The YUK continues to trade within the 79.80 zone. Once again, a break above 80.5 should lend credibility to a tradable move to the upside. The EUI pulled back to 78 as anticipated, but bounced to hit 80 towards the end of last week. The trend is strong to the upside with 81.82 as the next upside target. The BPX hit 64 as expected, and we are open to a pullback to test support at 63. The trend remains strong to the upside with 65 as the next target. The AUX continues higher. 101-102 has become a new support. We may see a pullback this week after such a significant move higher. However, the trend remains up with 104-105 as the next upside target zone. And this has been your ISE FX Options Weekly Outlook for May 28th, 2012. As always, this is Jason Ayres of OptionSource.net, reminding you to sign up for your free webinar at www.optionsource.net.
Thank you for participating in this week's session. Please join us again next week. For trading ideas, exchange rates, webinars, news, and commentary, visit www.fxoptions.com. Become an OptionSource.net member. Visit www.optionsource.net. ISE FX options can be easily traded through all options-enabled brokerage accounts. These exchange-listed securities are cash-settled in US dollars and have a European-style exercise.